Hey everybody, my '05 Mustang GT here. I don't have much for you. I do want to do a review of this Auto Art Ford Shelby Cobra concept soon. It's going to replace the Hot Wheels version I already have. So I'll replace that with the Auto Art. Might actually do a comparison video of them. Don't have much else going on. There's a car show coming up Saturday. I'm going to try to get to. Yeah, I got this. I don't know if you can see it. Just Death Razor. Sharp as hell. Really cool though. Yep. And I'm going to show you a little video of the wild cat that hangs around our house. We call her Boots. And that'll be right now. Yeah, so that's the wild cat that hangs around the house. She's been around about 2.5, 3 years. She looks pretty old. She's sick, she throws up all the time. But she likes me for some reason. Who'd guess? This is an old 1979 pace car model kit. I think it was a monogram. I got it at a car show pretty cheap. I don't want to open the display box because I'm afraid the air hit those decals and completely destroy them. Has a TRX wheels, which are a metric type of wheel. It's nice. So here is my exotic type section and Mopar and movie cars. These two I did do reviews of. I did update this with paint. The silver parts in the front grille were all black, so I painted those up nice. And on the back diffuser, the sides turned out nice. I did show you the Franklin Mint F40. Well, I also got the Franklin Mint Lamborghini Countach, which the Countach, the F40, and the Centenario here One of my favorite European cars. Here I do have a couple more European cars. Lamborghini Huracan, a Gallardo, Super. These were just cheap $13 diecast, and a Bugatti there. And then these are mostly all movie type cars, Fast and the Furious cars. Get into them more sometime. James Bond cars up there, up on the top. Those are all Fast and Furious over there. There's a W Motors Mike and Hype and Sport. That is dusty as hell right now. Okay. So these first three cars I did do reviews of. Factory Hemi car, drag car, the Hemi under glass, and the bottom one is the 68 or 69 Formula S. And next to that we have the Crazy Cuda drag car. That was done by Ertl. Mopar Legends is called. Above that we have I can get a decent non-glare shot of it. 70 AAR Cuda, done in Panther Pink by Highway 61. Above that we have a 71 Challenger, done by Highway 61. And above that is the 1970 Dan Gurney Trans Am without the light livery. And next to that is the Charger from Fast and Furious, the Roadrunner from Fast and Furious, that's a Hot Wheels Elite GMP, and underneath it is a green light 70 Dodge Daytona from Fast 8. Mad Max Interceptor 2 from the Road Warrior. Underneath, of course, you got to have the DeLorean with Mr. Fusion, the hoverboard from Back to the Future 2. Let me just slide these out of the way. And 82 Trans Am kit. It's a highway. That's a Hot Wheels Elite. The DeLorean's a Hot Wheels Elite, and the Mad Max car is a Auto Art. Then underneath it, 67 Chevy Impala from the TV show Supernatural. Over here, I think I showed those before. The Lamborghini Sesto Elementa. Two cheap ass cars. Different areas to show in the collection too. You gotta get more in depth on these cars, but I'll have to clean them. We have the Ecto 1 collection. And we got that whole shelf. And those shelves to do yet. Plus all that. And those. What to do is get my ass in gear and get it going. Like this video, please like, subscribe, share, favorite, hit the little bell here, there, wherever it is, to get notifications when I post new videos. Thank you. Thank you. This is my 05 Mustang GT signing off for this video.